Good morning, children. So, open page number 143, lesson number 4 at home, EVS lesson. Okay. So, now this is the poem about our home. So, what is home? The place where we live with our family. Okay. So, now this is my house. First, the walls, then the roof, and the door so tall. Please open the door and I come in when I call. So this is the poem. Okay. This is my house. So this is my house. First the walls. The walls of the house. Next, then the roof. Roof means look above you, children. So that is called the roof. And doors, as we know, doors. Okay, each room has a door. And come in when I call. Okay. Now draw the picture of your house. Okay, see, suppose if your house is a building, you can draw like this: floors and windows. Okay, you can draw and color. Okay, color it. Okay, now complete the following sentences. My house has dash rooms. So count the number of rooms you're having in your house. Kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, living hall, dining hall, all these. Count and write the number of rooms in your house, and also count the number of doors in your house and windows in your house. Okay, children, after completing this, take a picture and keep it to me. Okay, so now going into the lesson. We need a house. Our house protects us from heat and cold. It also protects us from wind and rain. It keeps us safe from thieves and dangerous animals. We feel safe in our house. So what is the need of the house, children? So everyone need a house, because if it is extreme hot outside and extreme cold inside, the house protects us from heat and cold. Okay, if we stay inside the house, nothing will happen for us. Otherwise, if we go out, we can't bear the heat, okay, or the cold in winters and the heat in summers. Okay, so we can't bear these kind of things. So that is the reason we need a house. Okay, so and house also protects us from wind and rain. So when there is heavy wind outside, we can't stand in the balcony or anywhere else on the road. So the house protects us. And if it's raining heavily, if we stay inside the house, then nothing will happen for us. And also house protects us from thieves and dangerous animals, and we feel safe in our house. Okay, see here, children, early humans lived in caves. So early humans means our ancestors, like before, years ago, they used to live in this type of houses before they built the house. Okay, now we will know different types of houses. Okay, there are different types of houses. So see, these all are the different types of houses. So some houses are big and some houses are small. So some houses will be very big and some houses will be very small. So it depends upon how we build a house. Okay, so different types of houses are built with different material. So different houses are built with different material. So now we will know about the houses. Okay, types of houses. A permanent or a pakka house is made of bricks, cement, steel and glass. See this one. Okay, this kind of houses are made with bricks, cement, steel and glass, and these are called permanent or pakka houses. Okay, permanent or pakka houses. So pakka houses are strong. They are very strong. We usually live in permanent houses, means pakka houses. Okay, children. So they are found in towns and cities. So these permanent houses or pakka houses are found in cities, and they are built with bricks, cement, steel and glass. Okay, so this is about the permanent house. A temporary or a kacha house is made of mud and straw. See, these walls are made of mud and this is made up of the straw, leftover straw. Okay, so these houses, temporary houses, are called kacha houses and they are not very strong. They are mostly found in villages. So when we go to village, we can find most of these houses, like this type of houses. Most of the houses. Okay, children. So these are called the kacha houses or the temporary houses, and these are called the pakka houses or the permanent houses. Okay. Now, houses with a sloping roof are found in the hills where it rains or snows a lot. So, the places where there is heavy rainfall or heavy snowfall, this type of house roofs are built. See, these are having the sloping roof. So, when any water falls on this roof, it flows down, or any snow falls on this roof, it flows down. Okay, so that is the reason of the sloping roofs. So the slope house with a sloping roof are found in the hills where it rains or snows a lot. Okay, children. So sloping roofs let the rainwater or snow slide off easily. So as I said, when anything falls on this, it can slide down easily. Okay, children. So there are also other types of houses. So apart from pakka house, kacha house and sloping roof houses, we have other types of houses, that is a houseboat. See, this houseboat, it will have all rooms and it will go on water. So that is why it is called as a houseboat. And this is tilt house. Okay, see, the house is built on very top. Why? If there is heavy rainfall, so see, if there is heavy rainfall filled with all this, so it will be easy for these people to go up. If in case, if they are being on the ground level, what will happen? All the water will go into their house. So that is the reason they will build in this height. Okay, so that water will not go into their house. Okay, and this is an igloo. So igloo is mostly found in cold regions. Okay, children, igloo is mostly found in cold regions. And houseboat, in India we found in Kashmir or Kerala. Okay, houseboats, Kashmir and Kerala, okay, where there are lakes and all. So these houseboats will be. So we can go and we can stay there. Okay, we can stay in the houseboat. Okay, children. Now, rooms in a house. So we have house. So in house we will have different types of rooms. So what are they? We sit and relax in living room. So what we do in living room? We will sit and relax. And also we can watch TV, play games. We can all do this in the living room. See here we have sofa, TV and all. So we can sit and relax in the living room. Next, we rest and sleep in the bedroom. So we will rest and sleep in the bedroom. See, we have bed over here. So we will take rest and we will sleep in our bedroom. Okay. Next, we cook food in the kitchen. So see, this is the kitchen. We have stove, vessels and different kitchen items, kitchenware. So we will cook food in the kitchen. So where do our mothers cook the food? In the kitchen. and we all eat together in the dining room. So where do we eat, children? We will eat in the dining room. We will have in dining room, we will have dining table, chairs and all, where all our family members will sit and have the food. And we take bath, we brush our teeth, all we do in the bathroom. Okay, in bathroom we take bath. And in study room, what we will do, children? We will study. Okay, so these are the different types of room. Living room, we will sit and relax. In bedroom, we will rest and sleep. In kitchen, we will cook food. In dining room, we will eat together. And in bathroom, we will take bath. And in study room, we will study. Okay, now caring for our house. So we should take care of our house. We should open the windows and let the fresh air and sunshine. So if we keep our doors and windows closed, then there will be no sunshine which comes to our home. So we should always open the windows in day. Okay, during the day we have to keep the windows open so that fresh air, it helps the fresh air to come in, and also the sunshine. Okay, we should keep things in proper place. So if we use any thing, we have to keep it in its proper place. Again, we have to not throw here and there. Okay, and we must also keep the house neat and tidy. So we should also keep the house neat and tidy, means we have to maintain it properly. We have to help our parents in keeping the house neat and tidy. Okay, now house. So different types of houses. Rooms in a house, caring for our house. So in different types of houses, we have permanent or pakka house, temporary or kacha house, sloping roof house, houseboat, stilt house and igloo. So these are the types of houses. And what are the rooms in a house? We will have bedroom, living room, kitchen, dining room, bathroom, study room. Okay, and caring for our house. So we have to open windows to let in the fresh air and sunshine. We have to keep the things in proper place. We have to keep the house neat and clean. Okay, children, hope you understood the lesson. Okay, now we will complete the book exercises. Okay, fill in the missing letters to the names of a house. Okay, rooms of the house. We sleep here. So where do we sleep, children? In bedroom. 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 We sleep here. Bedroom. 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 We cook food here. So where do we cook? Kitchen. 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 We cook food here. Kitchen. kitchen. We sit and talk here. Living room. living. Living, room. Living room. We sit and talk here. Living room. living. Living, room. Living room. We bathe here. Bathroom. Bathroom. We bathe here. Bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, now choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. We keep our house neat. NEAT, neat and tidy. TIDY. We keep our house neat and tidy. NEAT, neat. NEAT, neat. TIDY, tidy. TIDY, tidy. Dash. Let in air and sunshine. Windows. 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 Let in air and sunshine. WINDOWS. Windows. We cook food in the kitchen. KITCHEN kitchen, KITCHEN kitchen, KITCHEN kitchen. Our house protects us from heat. HEAT heat, HEAT heat. Okay, which houses are mostly found in towns and cities? So PERMANENT, permanent, or PUCCA, Pakka, HOUSES, Pakka houses. PERMANENT, permanent, or PUCCA, Pakka, HOUSES, Pakka houses. Which houses are made of mud and straw? TEMPORARY, temporary, or KUTCHA, kacha, HOUSES, kacha houses. TEMPORARY, temporary, or KUTCHA, kacha, HOUSES, kacha houses. Next, write the names of the room under each group, picture group. Here we have bed, pillow, wardrobe, and lamp. So it is bedroom. BEDROOM, bedroom. BEDROOM, bedroom. We have flower vase, TV, sofa, and scenery. So it is living room. LIVING living room. LIVING living, ROOM living room. We have wash basin, bucket, flush, commode, shower. So we have, it is bathroom. BATHROOM, bathroom. BATHROOM, bathroom. We have all the kitchen vessels. So what it is? It is KITCHEN, kitchen. KITCHEN, kitchen. Okay, children. Hope you understood the lesson. Complete the textbook exercises. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a good day.